This is kind of sad. it's Here's what I'll say, right? It's not bad in all intents and purposes when you like think about the differences or the upgrades or non-upgrades for the Z Fold 4, 5, 6. But when you put them next to each other, wow. Like on paper, you really start thinking about what truly is upgraded. It's really not that crazy, right? But you're like, okay, well this. You can really make a point. When you put them next to each other, by the way, shout out to Evan Leaks or Evan Blast. We talked about it many times on this channel. I mean, we're talking about all the way back, 3-4 years ago. But so shout out to him as always. I want to make sure I give a full shout out here. Absolutely one of the best on Twitter. He should have over 1 million followers. He is amazing. Anyway, though, on paper, you look at these different devices and you're like, yeah. When you're actually looking at them next to each other, Samsung, you have gotten away with too much mediocrity. Like, this is crazy, bro. Like, again, listen, the processors have changed, camera sensors have changed, batteries change, hinge sizes have changed, screen sizes, durability of the inside display. All those things have changed on these phones throughout the time they, are here. And again, I'm not making this video saying that, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold has not changed at all. And it's the same phone every year. It's just kind of ironic when you look at them, because if somebody looked at all of these phones and said, this is 5 generations of phones. From the first gen, 6 generations, 6 generations now. But the first gen, that looks like a huge difference. Okay, I mean, that's a huge upgrade from first to 6. But it's like once it hit 3, they were just like, we found our look, we found our everything, now just copy and paste every single $1,800 year. It is absolutely insane looking at all of these. It's just like copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. Make a bigger screen. But not by much. Add a tad bit bigger of a screen. Not much though. Bam. New phone. I think the Ultra, in all honesty, the Z Fold 6 Ultra is going to probably look very similar to these phones as well. I'm not expecting too much crazy of difference with that. When it comes to the outside shell, I'm not expecting that much difference. Now, when it comes to inside, I'm hoping for a big difference. But when it comes to the outside shell, I'm not expecting a big difference. But it's just, again, Samsung does not do themselves any justice when you look at these phones compared to each other. It's like, we upgraded the phone. Where? Like, again, all the things I listed off are the upgrades. But just from looking at the pictures, this is really bad. I don't know. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys next one. Peace.